Let's start with an opening invocation. To the Supreme God, Divine Father, Divine Mother, my beloved Guru, Grand Master Chakoksui, Lord Mahaguruji Mele, all the great ones, holy Gurus, holy Masters, saints, archangels, holy angels, and all the spiritual helpers. To my higher soul, to this book, The Magic, Rhonda Byrne, and each and every person connected to this book, to the money energy, to the abundance, to the universe, to the Parabrahman. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. So it's a very interesting chapter today. I hope everybody is practicing, all these things that we are learning every day. So we are doing day 9. So up until today, we should have like about 80 things that we are grateful for. 3 relationships into 5 qualities. So 15 qualities that you are grateful for. Plus, you add 1 relationship every day. So you should have about 8 relationships by now. 1 quality each, and first 3 relationships, five qualities each. You already know how you have to be grateful for your health. You already know about your money. You're checking your thoughts all day long. Yesterday we learned how you can be grateful for things you eat and consume, and your consciousness will change. You know how you have to be grateful for all your people who work with you. So basically we have learned all the things to go together. What I'm going to do tomorrow is that tomorrow I will just do like a day 1 day till day 9 cross check on the groups, and let's see if we are on the same page together. Honestly, I am experiencing magic honestly every day, and I'm very excited. I'm thinking that if so much can happen, in the first 8 days of me practicing, I'm really excited about the next 21 days, honestly speaking. So yes, and also everybody, thank you for sharing the uh, links of YouTube and everything, because people are getting connected, as I can see. So thank you so much. Today we are on day 9, the money magnet. It is only with gratitude that life becomes rich. Dietrich Bonhoeffer, Lutheran pastor. Gratitude is riches and complaint is poverty. It's the golden rule of your entire life. Whether it's your health, your job, your relationship, or your money, the more grateful you can be for the money you have, even if you don't have very much, the more riches you will receive. And the more complain about money, the poorer you will become. Today's magical practice turns one of the biggest reasons people complain about money into an act of gratitude. So it has double the power to change the circumstances of your money. It's very true. I've done this activity before. So before I started doing the book reading with all of you, I had already done till day 11. Then I didn't do day 12, and then I started with day 1 with all of you. So this is really exciting, and I'm telling you, if you share this money magnet technique with most of the people and monitor them a little bit, if they understand it, it'll flow in your life. I can guarantee you. I can guarantee you it will flow in your life. But you have to teach people also, because it is said that once you learn more when you teach, right? So that's also one of the very wisest things that I have come across. Today's magical practice turns one of the biggest reasons people complain about money into an act of gratitude. And so it has double the power to change the circumstances of your money. You'll be replacing a complaint which make you poorer with gratitude, which magically bring you riches. Most people would not think they complain about money. But if there is lack of money in your life, they are complaining without realizing it. Complaining happens through people's thoughts as well as their words, ideas, and feelings. Most people are not aware of the many thoughts in their head about money. Any complaining, negative, jealous, or worried thoughts or words about money are literally creating immense poverty in your finances. And of course, the biggest complaints come when money has to be paid out, when you have to go give the money, even if it's the electricity bill, even if it's the the mobile bill, whatever it is. The moment you say that there is so much inflation and the market is poor, people don't want to buy, this is subconscious complaining about money. If you don't have enough money, paying your bills can be one of the most annoying and difficult things to do. It can seem like a greater stream of bills than there is money to pay them. But if you complain about your bills, then what you are really doing is complaining about money, and complaining keeps you in poverty. If you don't have enough money, the last thing you would normally do is feel grateful for your bills. But in fact, that's exactly what you have to do to receive more money in your life. To have a rich life, you must be grateful for everything to do with money. Everything to do with money. And begrudging your bills is not being grateful for money at all. You must do the exact opposite, which is to be grateful for the goods or services you have received from those who build you. It is such a simple thing to do, but it will have a monumental effect on your money in your life. You will literally become more money magnetic. And I'll tell you, it's really true. It is really, really true. And it'll change something instantly in your life, in your prosperity consciousness. Something will instantly at this moment change. To be grateful for a bill, think about how much you have benefited from the services or goods on the bill. If it's payment for rent or a mortgage, be grateful that you have a home and you're living in it. What if the only way you could live in a home was by saving up all the money and paying cash for it? What if there was no such thing as lending institutions or places to rent? Think about it. Think about it. What if there was no institution to give you money in the first place? Then why are people who want to? I see that in my personal counseling related to money, when people will say things like, I have to pay mortgage every month. And my question is, did you have enough money to pay full down payment of the thing that you wanted to buy, like a car or a house or whatever? They will say no. And I'm like, why the hell are you not grateful about somebody who lent you money in the first place? Did you have that money? And they will say no. Then I'm so surprised with people's completely saying negative things about the credit cards. Why do you have a credit card in the first place if it's such a problem to you? Aren't you grateful that if in that moment when you needed that money, wherever you were able to pay, you were able to do that thing, you were able to complete that transaction? So this is the attitude that all of us need to change about money, and per se about the bills that we pay and the credit. Now, like people will see that how the consciousness will flow around related to business, related to work, the rents people are paying and everything. You are, then people will say how much interest we have to pay, and this much interest we have already paid in last 2 years. What's the point and everything? What about the day when somebody gave you the money on interest? What about why not be grateful of that person who gave you the money in the first place when you had nothing? Now when it comes to paying the interest, suddenly it pinches. So this is the consciousness shift that you have to uh, take get into. This is the vortex that you want to get into, and then you will see a shift happening tomorrow. And if you do this activity tomorrow in the morning or tonight before sleeping, you will see some magic happening tomorrow itself. I'm telling you, most of us will be living on streets, so be grateful for the lending institutions or your landlord, because they have made it possible for you to live in a home or an apartment. If you are paying a bill for gas or electricity, think about the heating or cooling you have received, the hot showers and every appliance you were able to use because of the service. If you are paying a phone bill or internet bill, imagine how difficult your life would be if you had to travel vast distances to talk to each person individually. Think about how many times you've been able to call a family or friend, send and receive emails, and access information instantly through the internet because of your service providers. All of these remarkable services are just at your fingertips, literally at your fingertips today. So be grateful for them and be grateful for the companies trust you by providing their services before you have paid them. It's not, it is prepaid and I get it, but then sometimes these you are paying after using these services. For example, electricity bill, the gas, the heating, most of them, prepaid or postpaid doesn't matter right now. But the fact is that you are using these blessings. It's just that you're not aware of it. Ever since I discovered the phenomenal power of gratitude, I write the magic words thank you and paid on every bill as I paid. I'll tell you one secret about myself. Before I read this chapter and thank you paid, every time since last 1.5 years, every time I'm sending a check to someone or even a transaction of, online transaction or check or cash and everything, even I'm giving in an envelope, I write a thank you on it. Sometimes when I'm sending a courier check to someone or whatever it is, behind the check, I write thank you for your services, and it changes my life. It changes my life. Also, it changes their attitude towards me. So everything changes. Not just that the money starts loving me more, but it's just that everything about that situation completely changes in my consciousness and in that person's consciousness. On every bill, as I pay it, I write thank you and paid. And I never miss a single one. I also never miss a single one. It's been 1.5 years now. At the beginning, when I didn't have the money to pay a bill, I would still use the gratitude's magical power and would instead write across the bill, thank you for the money. And then I had the money to pay it, it would add thank you paid. Today, you're going to do the same. Take any currently unpaid bills that you have or paid, whatever, and use the gratitude's magical power by writing across them, thank you for the money. And feel grateful for having the money to pay the bills. Whether you have it or not, if you receive and pay most of your bills online, then when you receive an online bill, forward it to yourself as an email and write on the subject, thank you for the money. Next, find 10 bills you have paid in the past and write across the front of each one, which the magic word, thank you and paid. As you write on each paid bill, feel as grateful as you possibly can that you had the money to pay the bill. The more gratitude you can harness for the bills you have paid, the more money will magically magnetize to your life. The more money will magically appear in your life. From this day forward, you could make it your regular practice that whenever you pay a bill, you briefly think about the great service you've received from the bill and write across the face of the bill the magic words, thank you, paid. And if you don't have the money to pay the bill, the gratitude's magical power and write, thank you for this money or thank you for the money. And feel it as if you're saying thank you because you have the money to pay the bill. Feeling gratitude for the money you've paid out guarantees you will receive more. Gratitude is like a magnetic golden thread attached to your money. So when you pay money out, the more money will always return to you. Sometimes equally, sometimes tenfold, sometimes multifold. Sometimes 100-fold, sometimes 1,000-fold. The abundance you receive back depends on how much money you give, but on how much gratitude you give. The abundance you receive in return does not depend upon how much money you give, but how much gratitude you give. You could have so much gratitude when you pay a bill of $50 that you could have received back $500 in return. End of today's session. The money magnet. Count your blessings, Make the list of 10 blessings why you're grateful for. This is like the day one activity that you have to do every day and all the other days. Take any current unpaid bills you have, use gratitude's magical power, and write across everyone, thank you for the money. Take 10 bills that you have paid for and write thank you and paid. Before you go to sleep, hold your magic rock and identify the best thing that has happened to you today. One thing that I want to, and tomorrow's session is magic dust, everyone. It's really nice. It's a very magical Harry Potter kind of a session for tomorrow. So must join, must share. One thing that I want to add by myself in the money magnet is please donate the first thing after you receive a payment. Now donate net 10% or more of minimum net 10% of your profits, minimum. So if your profit is 1 lakh rupees, donate 10,000 the first thing. First thing, you will see things happening in your life. And of course, when you are able to donate, you are able to help, you are able to serve, be grateful about that also, that thank you that I'm able to do this. I'm able to create a monetary difference in somebody's life. Now donate wherever you want to donate, but it's important that you donate to things that you receive from, including, you know, you can say that your parents, your spiritual schools, your, your teachers, people who work for you, apart from the salary also, little bit if you can do every month, but you should do minimum of 10% of your net profit every month, and you will see miracles abounding your life. And that's something that you must practice. And of course, ask the, you know what I do personally, when I have to personally, anyway, you must all know that I have an NGO that's a registered NGO, and we do food distribution and we do education. So um, I have seen a lot of miracles happening in and outside of my NGO, monetary miracles. Sometimes that there is so much funds that I have, and I'm the only one. I'm the only one working in the NGO, so it gets really, sometimes it gets too much work. It's too much work. So um, when I have lots of funds in my NGO, and I'm like, okay, what do I do? Sometimes I'm like, what do I do of this money? And I talk to the money. I really talk to the money. These are my personal tricks that I'm sharing with you. I look at the money. I look at that. I open my application on my phone, and I look at this money, and I'm like, go where it's needed, go where you're needed, and I'm telling you, in next 24 hours, a genuine requirement shows up. A genuine requirement. And because I know that I've spoken to this money, and I'm like, please go where you are needed the most right now. And I'm telling you, either the people who've been in my social circle will call me and say that, hey, listen, this much food is needed, or this much education fund is needed, or somebody is going through a medical crisis, this much is needed, or anything, or whatever. Or sometimes somebody new will pop up into my life and they will ask for help, or something or the other will happen. So talk to your money, talk to it, because it's a being. Believe it or not, I'm not trying to sound like very occultish right now, but money is a being, and it's the most transferable being in the entire universe. So talk to your money, because I speak to my money every day. Even in my personal or company bank accounts, I open the application and see the balance, and I'm like, double yourself. So I speak to it and I say, double yourself. Why don't you double yourself in next 10 days? Or why don't you multiply into 10 in next 3 months or something? It happens. I'm telling you, it does happen. Obviously, you have to follow your virtues. That all comes as a disclaimer without me, a default disclaimer. You have to follow your virtues. You should know how. You should have a plan. And you should also kind of donate, the first thing. So when you do that, speak to your money and it will come back to you. You should just speak to money and attract it, or send it. And that's it. So yeah, that's the end of the session today. And let's close the session. the Supreme God, Divine Father, Divine Mother, my beloved Guru, Grandmaster Chakoksui, Lord Mahaguruji, mailing all the great, great ones, Holy Gurus, Holy Master Saints, Archangels, Holy Angels, and all the spiritual helpers, to my heart, soul, to money, to Rhonda Byrne, to the magic universe, abundance. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. May all of you experience monetary, magical miracles very, very soon. And please, please, really, especially this video, share it with maximum people, encourage them to see it, because everybody feels happy about money and everybody loves money. Why not? There should be money everywhere, with everyone, with you all. So share and ask them to do it, and also more blessings to all of you. Bye-bye. Good night.